Good day mga kaseller. My name is Rayen Cordova and I am honored to be running for the position of Audit Committee, and I am someone who believes in leadership through action with integrity and growth through collaboration. Today, I stand before you not just a candidate but as someone who genuinely wants to make difference in our organization. I am running for this position because I believe I can contribute more to our community. Being part of our cooperative has shown me the value of teamwork, responsibility, and shared vision. I want to take a more active role in helping our organization grow stronger, more connected, and more responsive to the needs of its members. This position is not just a title for me. It is an opportunity to serve. If elected, my focus will be three priorities: transparency, engagement, and accountability. First, transparency and communication. Members deserve to be informed and heard. I will ensure regular updates, open communications, and opportunities for everyone to share ideas and concerns. Second, member engagement and participation. I want to help create initiatives and activities that encourage involvement and strengthen our sense of unity. When members are engaged, our organization becomes more dynamic and supportive. Third, efficiency and accountability. I will work to ensure that plans are organized, goals are clear, and responsibilities are carried out effectively. Progress shall be visible and commitments shall be fulfilled. If you elect me as your audit committee, you can expect a leader who listens, works hard, and puts members first. You can expect dedication. I will give my time and effort to ensure our goals are achieved. You can expect fairness. I will treat everyone with respect and professionalism. And most importantly, you can expect action. Not just promises, but meaningful results. Leadership is not about authority. It is about responsibility. It is about serving with people with purpose and leading with integrity. I am ready to take on that responsibility. I am ready to listen, collaborate, and lead. I humbly ask for your trust and your vote for Audit Committee. Together, let us build a stronger and better OMS in PC. Kung gusto nyo ng bago, bumoto ng bago. Sa muli po, Rayen Cordova para sa Audit Committee. Thank you and I look forward for serving you.